Hello, this is a quick video review for week 10. Now for week 10, you have two tasks this week. For your first task, you need to complete your Grammar Quiz 5, and for your second task, you need to complete your cover letter. As always, before you actually complete these tasks, I encourage you to look underneath week 10 and to click on our weekly checklist, which when you click on that, this is our checklist for this week. Now, your first task is your Grammar Quiz 5. Now, your Grammar Quiz 5 is kind of a comprehensive test of all of our past grammar lessons. Now, please do not just jump into taking this quiz, and you do have 3 attempts, but before you even attempt it the first time, go back to all of our previous units, and you need to kind of review over maybe the major lessons, if I gave a video lesson or a PowerPoint lesson, maybe even some of the instructional videos that I kind of were supplemental that I encouraged you to view. Look back at those, and also look back at the actual quizzes that you took, Grammar Quiz 1 all the way through Grammar Quiz 4. Look at those questions and also their answers. They may repeat themselves, hint, hint, on your Grammar Quiz 5. But again, before you take Grammar Quiz 5, look back at the other grammar quizzes as well as the resources and lessons from those previous grammar units, okay? Now, secondly, we're kind of taking a break from essay writing. So I know some of you are going to be like a sigh of relief, whoo, a break from it, okay? Now, we're going to be starting a small unit on professional writing. This week, we're going to be discussing a cover letter. Next week, we're going to talk about a resume and also a visual resume. But this week, we're just focusing in on the cover letter, you know, that first page that's going to introduce your resume and then later maybe be a cover for your application that you're going to be sending in for potential jobs. I encourage you to look at all the resources available for the cover letter before you write it. You're going to notice on Canvas, there's a module on the cover letter. Please print out the handout as well as looking at the student example. And I do have, you know, just another resource of cover letter tips and examples. And don't forget to watch the instructional video. I go through the cover letter in detail in that video. Also, you have the rubric so you can see how I'm going to grade this assignment. And as always, if you have any questions on the Grammar Quiz 5 or if you have questions about the cover letter, you can just email or contact me and I will be happy to help you on that. Thank you.